Good morning. It's Monday, August the 18th, and you're watching AGORACOM TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the Halts, so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Hopefully you all had a tremendous weekend, but now it's time to get down to business. I've got 5 great press releases to report on, both sides of the borders, primarily earnings. And in the second segment of our program, I've got 3 halts to report on. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Our first story is Sultan Minerals trades on the venture under the symbol SUL. The company is announcing assays for 7 underground diamond drill holes from the ongoing exploration program at its 100% owned Jersey Emerald molybdenum tungsten property located near Salmo, British Columbia. They've announced that this large molybdenum-bearing stockwork has now been intersected in 36 diamond drill holes over an area measuring 3,200 feet, and the zone remains open in most directions. Now, the highlight of this drill program, hole JM08-08 assayed 0.16% molybdenum dioxide over a core length of 85 feet within a 288-foot section that averaged 0.07% molybdenum dioxide. In addition, we've got hole JM08-09, which is located 100 feet south of the aforementioned hole, and it assayed 0.08% molybdenum dioxide over a core length of 105 feet, which included 1% molybdenum dioxide over 5 feet. A little bit about Sultan Minerals. They're a gold, silver, and base metals exploration company with a portfolio of mineral properties. The company's last at 9 cents. 52-week range is 9 cents to 36 cents, and its current market cap is $9.1 million. Moving on, we've got Sharon Energy Limited, trades on the venture under the symbol SHY. The company's reporting on results for the first quarter ended June 30th, 2008. In their first Q, we see that their numbers were significantly higher than any other quarter over the last 2 years due to the higher natural gas and oil prices, combined with an increase in the company's quarterly production. Sharon reported revenues for the 3 months ended June 30th of $1.5 million compared to $791,000 in the same period last year. Cash flow for the quarter was $1 million compared to $334,000, and we've got earnings for the quarter which were $180,000 compared to a loss of $468,000 in the same period last year. Company's lost at 23 cents. The 52-week range is 14 cents to 42 cents, and the market cap is $17.3 million. And a little bit about the company. Sharon is an oil and gas exploration and production company based in Calgary, Alberta. Sharon's current focus is on shallow gas developments in southern Alberta, natural gas exploration in central and southern Alberta, and deep gas exploration in Texas. Moving on to Sancon Resources Recovery, trades on the OTC BB under the symbol SRRY. The company is announcing their second quarter results. They've announced that they've generated a record 2008 second quarter revenue of $2.94 million, which is a 251% increase compared to $840,000 in the second quarter of 2007. Revenue increased significantly due to strong growth in China, is what the company is indicating. Second quarter net income was a record $240,000 compared to a loss of $60,000 in the same period last year. The 2008 quarter was the company's second consecutive quarter of profitability, so it looks like they've got some sustainability there. And finally, we've got a little bit about the company. Sancon Resources Recovery is an environmental service and waste management company that operates recycling facilities in China and Australia. Sancon specializes in the collection and recovery of industrial and commercial solid wastes such as plastic, paper, cardboard, and glass. The company's last at 45 cents. Their 52-week high low is 70 cents, as low as 11 cents. Moving on, Lotus Pharmaceuticals Inc. trades on the OTC BB under the symbol LTUS. The company is announcing second quarter results. Second quarter results highlights include total revenues increased to $19.4 million, which is up 51% from the second quarter of 2007. Gross profit was $9.7 million, which is up 76% from the second quarter of 07. And gross margin was up 50%, or sorry, gross margin was 50% compared to 42.9% in the second quarter of 07. And finally, net income was $2.2 million compared to $3 million in the second quarter of 2007. Lotus Pharmaceuticals Inc. controls and operates 2 Chinese pharmaceutical companies located in Beijing, which deals in an integration of the production, trade, sales, and marketing of pharmaceuticals. The company possesses some of the most advanced pharmaceutical production equipment used in China. They're last at 56 cents, and their 52-week range is a high of 65 and a low of 47, so tight trading range. And finally, I've got Forum National Investments, trades on the OTCBB under the symbol FmnLF. The company is reporting their third quarter financial results for the period ended June 30th, 08. For the third quarter, we've got the company has reported that revenues rose nearly tenfold, almost 1,000%, to $7.4 million. While net income rose to $4.5 million, and this is versus revenues and net income of $700,000 and $23,000 respectively for the comparable year, for the comparable period 1 year ago. So very impressive growth coming from this company. For the 9 months ended June 30th, 2008, the company reported a 245% increase in revenues, leading to record revenues and net income of, get this, $12.3 million and $5.7 million respectively, as compared to revenues of $3.5 million and net income of $926,000 for the previous period last year, for the same period last year. A little bit about the company. Its primary business revolves around developing consumer-driven organizations designed to enhance lifestyles. The company's life settlement operations in the United States are conducted through its wholly owned subsidiary, the American Life Settlements. Now, I took a look, don't understand exactly what these guys do, something you might want to look into given the incredible revenue and net income growth that they've had. Company's last at $4.75, 52-week high and low, high $4.75, its low is $4. And that's it for the great press releases of the day. Moving on to the Halts. I've got 3 Halts, as I mentioned at the top of the show. Top 10th Inc. trades on the venture under the symbol TPT.P. They've been halted pending news. Adriana Resources Inc. on the venture under the symbol ADI. The company was halted pending news. And finally, I've got Geoinformatics trades on the TSX venture under the symbol GXL. The company has been halted pending news. That's a wrap for today. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.